Hey everyone, today we are checking out the massive LaserPecker Slide Extension for the LP4 and LP5. This upgrade expands your workspace to 300 by 160 millimeters for batch processing power. You can now engrave dozens of items at once and cut production time by 60%. The smart technology automatically switches between diode and infrared lasers for multi-material projects. Setup takes only 60 seconds, with zero tools required to get your large projects started. Experience edge-to-edge precision on over 300 materials using industrial-grade rails and durable aluminum. It is the ultimate tool for any professional workshop looking to maximize their creative output. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.